Hi friends, today we are going to bake rosette butter cookies with jeera flavor. So let's check out the ingredients required for this recipe. 100 grams butter. This is unsalted butter. So I'll be adding a pinch of salt. 100 grams maida or all-purpose flour. 1 pinch of salt. Just adding it to the maida. And a quarter teaspoon jeera powder, roasted jeera powder. I'm going to add it to the maida. And 50 grams icing sugar. These are the ingredients required for our cookies. Now I am going to beat butter and sugar till creamy. Mix it nicely with a spoon before using a blender. Scrape the sides of the bowl and keep beating. Now it has become creamy. Now I am going to mix maida into the butter mixture. And to make a soft cookie dough, I am going to add water to get a soft dough of pipeable consistency. I'll be piping this cookie dough into the baking tray using a piping bag. Our cookie dough is ready. I'm going to transfer it into a piping bag. I am using the star nozzle to pipe out the cookie dough. Transfer a little bit of dough into the piping bag and check the consistency by piping. If you can pipe it easily, it's okay. If the dough is tight, add a little water and make it right. I have checked the consistency and it is absolutely okay for piping. So I'm going to fill the piping bag with the dough and I'm going to pipe out the cookies into a baking tray. Now I am going to line the baking tray with a butter paper. This is absolutely optional. you can directly pipe the cookie dough into the baking tray. If you are not using a butter paper, it will take less time, 2 to 3 minutes less, to bake these cookies. I am going to preheat the oven. Mine is a convection microwave oven in convection mode, and I am going to preheat it at 160 degrees. I am going to pipe out our cookies into our baking dish. Always leave some space in between the cookies. Check whether our cookies are done. When the edges are light golden color, brown color, that means our cookies are ready. So you can see the edges are light brown color. So first batch of cookies are ready. Now I'm going to remove this first batch of cookies. Now I am going to bake the second batch of cookies without using the butter paper. I will be directly piping the cookie dough into the baking tray. Do not grease the big baking tray because the cookies will not stick to the baking tray. These cookies are really tasty and buttery, so please do try. If you are not using icing sugar, use a finely powdered sugar so that your mixture is smooth and it will be easy for you to pipe it out. If you like my video, please do click the like button, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. I am going to bake the second batch of cookies. So our second batch of cookies are ready. This second batch of cookies took 25 minutes, whereas our first batch of cookies, in which I kept the butter paper, took 28 minutes. So you can see the brown edges. So that means our cookies are ready. Sides light golden brown. It's still warm, so the old one I can show you. I'll just break and see.